Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi A6 C7. If you see the headlight, it's working on that end and this one is not working. The headlight bulb is burned out. And this one requires a headlight bulb D3s and this is 6000K. I'll list the part number in the description in case if you need one. Very simple DIY fix and let's get started. First we're going to pop open the hood. So we're going to open it. We don't need to remove the wheel well, the fender liner. There is a two screws. The fender liner near wheel well, there is a cutout right here. There are two screws at the bottom, one on this side and one on this side, and those are Phillips screw. So we can push this fender liner and there is a screw, small screw right here. So we're going to put the screwdriver on the other hand. So we're going to open it. So we're going to remove the screw. So as I push the fender liner, and I'm going to keep opening the screw. That's a tiny screw. So once the screw is open, then we're going to open the screw on the other end, and then we're going to pop this open. And this is the small screw, and we will take the cover out. In my case, the side screw is broken, it's only one screw. Just push it like this up and it will comes out of the groove. And now if we look at on the bulb itself, as you see, this is the bulb right here. If I put my hand from the top, I can remove it like this, turning it anti-clockwise, and then we're going to pull it straight, the bulb out. Just like this. As you see, the bulb comes out. And this is the connection at the bottom. So in order to open it, the wire, there is a push pin right here. You push it and then you pull it down. The connector comes off. And this is how the bulb comes out. So I have a new bulb. You just open it. This one you pull it down. And in order to put it in, if you see there is a small notch right here. That's gonna go inside in this one. So this is the bad bulb and we got the new bulb, and it's always good idea when you're replacing it, replace it both bulbs. So in order to put it in, you put notch and the bigger one comes here as you see, and then snaps in. And now we're going to put this one in the same way we took it out. We're going to put it in here, okay, and we're going to put the connector, the wiring connector, and this is, you press it in. As it pressed in, this is the socket, so we're going to put into the socket, and we're going to straighten it, and as we open it put it into the socket, and once we put it in the socket, then we turn it around and it will locks in. So once it locks in, that's it. So as you see that the bulb is placed back, and I put the electrical connector, and now I'm going to put the cover back. I hope you're going to like this video, and I'm going to do the same step on the passenger side. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you soon with the more videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.